guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Sidey's vlog. This is Dimple signing in, back again with yet another reaction video. And today, Sailesh and I, we are going to react on one of the contestants of Voice of Nepal season 3. And who I am talking about, Aryan Tamang from Darjeeling. Yes, he is going to perform today and we are really excited because we had already reacted on one of his performances earlier as well, and the song that he has chosen is very beautiful, okay, and song by Narayan Gopal, as we all know, right? And he was the legend of Nepal actually. So yeah people, I think without wasting much of your time, we just need to get into the reaction ASAP to check out how he's gonna sing and how his performance is gonna be. I'm just eagerly waiting for his performance. Let's go people. Let's go.
All the best, Aryan. मिठो छ भोकनी
तिमीलाई म के भनु फूल भनु कि जुन भनु फूल भनु कि जुन भनु उपमा धेरै म के दियो तिमीलाई मन के मायालु भनु तिमीलाई
मजा Legend Narayan Gopal's song is still there. Nice.
फुलेको मौसममा यो साँझको शीतल वातावरणमा
मिठो मिठो नाइस
फुलेको मौसममा यो साँझको शीतल वातावरणमा यो मनलाई कसरी सम्हालु बेहोश बेहोश भएमा कहिले नछुट्ने नशा भनु कि फूल भनु कि जुन भनु फूल भनु कि जुन भनु उपमा धेरै म के मन के मायालु भनु तिमीलाई म के भनु
Dami bhai, Dami. Awesome. Yeah people, so that was the reaction for Aryan Tamang. Beautiful song, as I said in my intro as well. Just loved all the words, you know, of the song. I have already listened to this song several n number of times, but still then I don't get bored because this is one of the golden songs, right? And ani bhane bhane chai abo, like, you know, his voice was too good. Yeah, it was like very soft and smooth way, you know. That little guy sang so well. So amazing. Congratulations to you bhai, because you have won the competition, right? I mean, it's such a good thing, right? So I think let's hear it from Sailesh as well, what he has to say about Aryan bhai.
No, I think it's such a nice song, right? And the legend Narayan Gopal, as we all know, right? There is not even one song which is not that good, right? Every song is like legendary. So with that, he adding a very new freshness was mind-blowing, because this guy is too young, right? Too young to sing such a complex song. It's not easy to sing this song, right? But we just fell in love with what he did, right? That's the beauty of this innocent guy. I think at least I like the way he sings. There are other players, other contestants as well, like Govind Pun.
Yeah, Govind Pun being his favorite.
yeah.
Okay, again we have to react.
But
on him as
the
well.
road is going to get tougher, but I think brilliant. Yeah, I think he deserved it, and kudos. Lots of love from Darjeeling. And yeah, and his gesture, right? So
Yeah, yeah, that's what he had replied to the reaction that we had done on his previous performance, I Salish. So
Yeah.
I think let's a little bit talk about that as well. Thank you so much, Aryan Bhai.
right.
No, me.
All the best, right? So may the best person win, but you are doing great.
Keep singing, keep performing. I know. And
Our support is there with all the
Yeah.
best singers, right?
yeah, and I think Darjeeling people, I think you need to support him because, right? It's
doing well.
it's his talent, and in this 21st century, I think we need to accept and what do we say that support this kind of talents as well. So
Brilliant.
people- yeah.
Tiमीलाई म के भन्नु, right? So I think that's the song Food Banu Ki Jun Banu. So pretty nice. We loved it, guys. So if you are new to the channel,
Do not forget to subscribe, people. Please,
yeah, and thank you for all the love, all the subscribers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Stay safe and happy Sunday. Yeah. Bye bye. Take
Bye,
care.
people. Take care.